Lami's whole way ne BBL kwenzenjani bafazi. Like, I'm so shocked to find out who allegedly Lamis has a BBL, because looking at Lami's body, it's beautiful and I thought it's all natural. But to find that she has a BBL, well, her doctor did a good job, because we are all shocked. We didn't know that it's a BBL, and that shows good how good the doctor was. So unfortunately, nanya umntana abantu angazi ukuthi kuyenzakalani. She's rushed to hospital on Sunday last week because i-BBL iyaleka manje. Ukuthi ileka kanjani, I don't know. I don't know if it's leaking blood, it's leaking poo, it's leaking water, whatever, or it's leaking fat. Because obviously we know ukuthi i-BBL bathatha amafutha from your body to your butt so that you can have a bigger butt. Hence why sometimes you see people abayenza ama-BBL bayilenda, they end up having those BBL that look botched, you know, that don't look natural. Very bon ukuthi kune displacement is because there's not much fat that they can use to transfer to your booty. So umntana abantu ubusy ugijimana nezibhedlela uzama ukuphola, and then uRural Zulu Girl is coming hard for her. If you don't know who Rural Zulu Girl is, Rural Zulu Girl is that lady that was trying to look like Lamis or looks like Lamis angazi khona lapho. And Rural Zulu Girl is like, yabo mina mangaya taking ayushaya i-BBL ungadla umdoko ngeforok, as if ungathi Lamis is in competition with her. What if Lamis doesn't even care? Wathi wena wawungiphoqa ungibiza esalukazi semilenze owomile was unebody enje? And she took is Thomasika Lamis, where she was wearing that pink dress. I don't know what she was addressing or where they were, but I'll put the picture there. And then was unebody and she was a body shamer Lamis. And when people told her, why are you body shaming the DJ? She's like, we're all body shamer. And she also spoke about the fact ukuthi uLamizi ukubamba ibanji for 30 years. Ngobabo wrong, kuyayidala delusion, demure, the vibes. And I'm like, is Shiko Twala not Lamis's father? What's happening? Because mina, when I look at Lamis no Chiko Twala, I can see the resemblance, because I look at both Lamis's parents and ngiyayibona resemblance. So le ukuthi angazi ibhanji kanjani, I don't understand. But yeah, Rural Zulu Girl is what she's allegedly saying ukuthi kukhona ibhanji uLamizi ngathi yo leyo bhanji wathi ene mina ubaba wami ngiyamazi angizange ngiphiwe ubaba, the vibes, you know. So kuningi nje. I just thought ukuthi this Rural Zulu Girl and Lami situation has died off.